Hi everyone, this is Jason with VidSwap Support, here with another quick minute video for you. Let's take a look at how to add player lineup charts to a soccer game so we can get our player touches logged in an advanced breakdown. Every time you upload a match, you'll be presented with this lineup chart. If you're wanting the player touches tagged for your team, this will need to be submitted with your game video. First, you'll want to make sure that your rosters have been inputted and are current. If you'd like help with getting your rosters entered or updated, please visit our help section, or you can click on the help bubble in the lower right corner of the screen and type in roster. There you'll see a number of articles that will cover the particular question you're needing answered. Now to get started, click on the Add Athlete button to select the players from your roster that were active in the game. Select everyone that was in the game by clicking in the checkboxes to the left of their names. You can also multi-select the entire roster by clicking in the checkbox at the top of the left column. If you need to add a player that is not on your permanent roster, you can do that by pressing the Add Athlete Not on Roster button. Once your roster is selected, press the Add Athlete button. If you are wanting to add a player to your permanent roster, your best bet is to go into your rosters section and add them there, so their stats will track over the course of the season. Now once your list of athletes who played in the game is compiled, if any jersey information needs to be updated, for instance, if a player on your roster is using a different jersey number for this game than what was entered in their player record, you can update that quickly and easily here by clicking into the listed number, changing it to the new one, and pressing return. Not only will this make sure the updated info is sent to the loggers, but the stat records for the game will link to the player's profile even though they're wearing a different number. So with your correct roster in place, just drag and drop your players to where they need to be on the field. We have a few default formations here, 4-4-2 and 4-4-3, but if you need something else, you can just drag and drop the player icons to where they need to be. When you drag and drop your players onto the chart, that data will automatically save. Now when it comes time to designate a substitution or lineup change, click on the plus button right up here next to the game time clock. Adjust the clock to the time in the game where the substitution took place, say 34 minutes, which is still in period 1, and press save. You'll see the clock box up here display the new game time, and now you change the lineup to reflect the substitutions or lineup changes that happened at that point in the game. Let's say number 5 went out. You can either click on the trash icon to remove that player, or just drag another player into its position to replace it. Or let's say number 6 and 71 changed places. You can move the player spots around as well. Repeat that process every time a substitution or lineup change occurs. Just press the plus button to set a new substitution point. You can cycle through the substitution points you've already made to double check them by either clicking on the clock box dropdown or cycling through the arrow keys above your roster on the left side of the screen. When everything is all set, just press the next button and continue on with your upload. Thank you for watching. If you're left with any questions, please drop us a line at support@vidswap.com, try out our live chat or phone lines, or look further down the page this video was posted on to check out the article or screenshots that accompany it.